the first group of toolbox was selection tools. We have already studied about 10 tools and also some necessary commands. Then we are going to start the second group of toolbox that are typing and drawing tools. Inside this group of toolbox, you have also 10 or 15 tools that help you to type something and also to draw something. Type means to type a text. Draw means to draw different kind of shape. Pen means to also draw something on your page. Today we will talk about text. How to write a text inside your file. So I open Photoshop. This is the face of Photoshop. First you need to open Ctrl O to select a picture. I want to select this text and then I want to open it. So this is my picture. Now I want to type something inside this picture. وارمشي لديه تصوير باندې دلته text ولیکم. په commands toolbox یو ګور تاسو دلته یو commands داسې دي T مطلب شي text. So you can write text like this. But when you right click on the text, you have also many other options. You have horizontal text to write something like this horizontally. You also have vertical type so that you can write something vertically, horizontally and vertically. So I want to click on the horizontal type tools. Now you can define that where you want to type the text. I want to type in here or I want to type in here. No matter where you want to type, you just need to click here. I want to type in here or in here. Just I click there. Now you can see here we have a default text. That text is the automatic data lekel شوی ده. That text is automatically لیکل شوی ده. صحیح ده؟ تاسو بیا دا ریموو کوئ او خپل ټیکسټ دلته ولیکئ. چې څنګه ریموو کوم دلته کارسر شته ده او باک سپیس دا بیا ریموو کوم. اوس دلته کارسر دی مطلب چې تاسو کولی شئ دلته اوس ولیکئ. زه دلته ولیکم هلو پاکستان. دلته د دې ټول باکس آپشن هم موجود دی. دلته بیا آپشنز هم موجود دی. دا ټیکسټ سټایل دی. دا د ټیکسټ کلر دی. صحیح ده؟ سو ډایرکشن دی او الاینمنت دی او دلته دا بل ټیکسټ سټایل دی. شارپ، بولد، ایټالیک ټول د دلته سټایل دی. ریګولر، بولد دلته هم سټایل دی. ریګولر خو دا ریګولر نارمل ټیکسټ دی. ایټالیک، بولد ان ایټالیک چې هم بولد دی او هم ایټالیک دی. خو مطلب دا دی چې تاسو پهله دا ټیکسټ سلیکټ کړئ هغه نه بعد به تاسو دا کلر چینج کولی شئ ټیکسټ سایز چینج کولی شئ او یا هم بل. Now I want to select this text. Select this text, all Pakistan. I want to change the text style. When you click in here, you have hundreds of font style that you can select. You know already these things in MS Word. I want to select this text style. Now I want to change the color. Click on color and select the color that you want from color. Pick a white color, green color, black color, any color that you want. صحیح ده هم شرشمی. دلار گران شوی ده شرشم گران شوی ده بود کنه. Attention. The color. Now I want to click on OK. So you also have the text size. Click on the list. There are list of numbers as we have the same thing in MS Word, Excel and other programs. I want to change the text font size to 200. Just remove that text size and type 200. Press enter. Now the text size is 200. You can also put your cursor in here. You can see press cursor and you can make this bigger or you can make it smaller, higher or lower. I want to make it 300. Now you can see this is our text with 300 font size. Now select this text when you click in here, this type of this font style only support the regular, no bold, no italic, or no other things. Only this type of font style support the regular. But you have also these options in here. I want to keep just click on tick marks. Okay. Now using which tool you can move this? Move tool. And using which tool you can make the size of this? Control T. Now you can move it, you can simply rotate it, you can simply put it anywhere that you want. Now I want to change the text. If you want to change the text, you can click on text tool again. Now you should come to the text. Now you can see this icon means that now you can change the text. Click in here and again you have the cursor. Again you have those previous options that you can write another text. So